Did you know that over 71% of companies now use some sort of Agile approach? Or that the average salary for an Agile project manager in 2022 is over $90,000? Agile is not optional anymore because you can develop products faster and cheaper, and you can expect an increase in productivity. But what is Agile? Is it a methodology? A process? A framework? Who created it and why? Who is using it and why? Is it suitable for every project and every team? Why is Agile training so expensive? On the Agile Vibes channel, we answer these and hundreds of other questions about Agile. In the Agile for Beginners playlist you will find videos on topics suitable for newcomers, while other playlists will focus on more advanced topics and case studies suitable for experienced Scrum Masters, product owners and project teams. Learning about Agile will not only provide you immediate benefits in your current role, it will also significantly increase your market value. So what are you waiting for? All the training videos on Agile Vibes are easy to understand and completely free. Subscribe today and begin your journey to become an Agile superstar.